I just want to drop this quick video in here as an idea. There have been a number of people ask how to connect sections of domes together, and while it's true you can overlap domes, what if you built it in a modular fashion where you can start with as simple as one module and you just add more on as you need? In this case, they're connected with a greenhouse, and the larger rooms are 16 foot and the smaller room is the bathroom, and it's 10 foot. So you could see how you could connect the modules together with the greenhouse, and you could continue to grow a setup like this for as long as you wanted to. This particular design would allow you to grow a great deal of food indoors, which is great considering that the weather is becoming more unstable or more unpredictable. And material cost for something like this would be about $6,500 to $7,000 for the AirCrete to create a 16-foot kitchen and dining space, a 10-foot bathroom, and a 16-foot bedroom space, as well as a greenhouse growing area that is big enough to maybe grow even a small tree in, but it gives you plenty of foot room between grow beds situated next to the windows and passing through the front of the structure. So anyway, I just wanted to drop that out there to see what you guys might think about a design like this and to continue to give you new ideas.